If your Google Chrome is lagging or the performance is declining, then in this video I'll tell you few methods by which you can fix this issue. First of all, click on three dots, then scroll down and click on settings, and at the left hand side navigate to systems, and from here disable this toggle which says use graphic acceleration when available. After that, relaunch Google Chrome to see if the issue is resolved. However, if the issue still remains, then what you can do is click on three dots once again and go to extensions and click on manage extensions. Most of the time these extension takes much of the RAM, so make sure to disable the extension which are not in currently use. In my case, I don't need these extensions right now, so I will disable them, and by doing this the performance will be enhanced. However, if the issue still remains, then make sure to clear cache and cookies. To do that, click on three dots and scroll down and go to settings once again, and right here you can see privacy and security. Click on that and tap on delete browsing data, and from here uncheck browsing history, or you can also delete browsing history if you want to. Since I want browsing history, so I won't delete that, and apart from that make sure to select all time and click on delete data. This will most likely fix your issue. However, if the issue still remains, then click on search bar and type task manager. Go to task manager and at the top type Google Chrome. Then right click on Google Chrome and click on end task. This will most likely fix your issue. So that's how you can fix Google Chrome if it is lagging or being slow. So that's it for this video. If this video helped, subscribe.